To class 9 students. Today in this video I'm going to explain you exercise 7.3. Okay, very simple exercise students. Triangle ABC and DBC are two isosceles triangle. First question, two triangles are there. First triangle is ABC and the second triangle is DBC. Okay, this one is DBC. Okay, these are two isosceles triangle. Isosceles means two sides are equal on same base BC. Okay, two sides are equal means AB is equals to AC, BD is equals to DC. Right? If AD is extended, this one is AD, and it is extended at point P. Show that triangle ABD, this triangle that I'm going to shade now, you have to make it congruent with ACD. So how you will make it congruent, students? First of all, AB is equals to AC. It is given to you. First thing will be this. Second, BD equal to DC. This is also given. And third thing, AD equals to AD common. So triangle ABD becomes congruent to triangle ADC. Now, by using CPCT, you can make other things equal, like this angle will be equal to this by using CPCT. Okay. Now in second part, they are saying prove that triangle ABP congruent to ACP. This you have to congruent. What you will do? AB equals to AC, AP equal to AP common, right? And angle 1 equal to 2. You have proved? No. Proved above by using CPCT of the previous triangle, right? So side, angle, side. Congruent rule, you can make them congruent. Now the third part is prove that AP bisects angle A as well as angle D. Angle D is this. Angle A is already bisected, no? 1 equal to 2. Angle D is this 3 and 4. So it means you have to prove that angle 3 is equals to 4. Right? This you have to prove, no? That 3 is equals to 4. So how you will prove it? Very simple. That triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, right? So you can say that if both the triangles are congruent, 1 equals to 2 by CPCT. And now this triangle is congruent with this, right? ABP is congruent to ACP. Now just subtract the equations. From this triangle, when you will subtract this, and from this triangle, you will subtract this. So this triangle would be congruent to this. So by using CPCT, you can say that angle 3 would be equals to 4. Okay. If angle 3 is equals to 4, after that, it is saying that show that AP is perpendicular bisector of BC. This we have to show. For this, what we will do, very simple, just make them congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, then BP would be equals to PC, right? If this would be equals to this shows that AP bisects BC. But we have to show that this is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular means both angles must be of 90 degree. If both triangles are congruent, by CPCT you can say DPB equal to DPC. Right? If both the angles are equal, then sum of both the angles would be 180 degree. So 3 plus 4 would be 180. But 3 is equals to 4. So 3 would be 90 and 4 would be 90. 90, 90 each. So this was our first question. Coming to the next question, question number 2. What's the question? AD is an altitude of triangle ABC. One triangle is there, ABC. AD is altitude. Okay. In which AB is equals to AC. This equals to this given to you. What you have to show? AD bisects BC. Means BD equal to DC you have to show. What you will do? You have to go in these two triangles. ADB and ADC. Very simple. AB equal to AC given. This is equals to this 90 degree because this is AD is altitude, no? So 90 90 it would be. AD common. So by using RHS property, you can say that both the triangles are congruent. By using CPCT, you can say that BD equals to DC. First part is proved. Now second part, prove that AD bisects angle A, means this equals to this we have to prove. This would be angle 3, this would be 4. 3 equals to 4 you have to prove. When these two triangles are congruent, no. 3 equals to 4 by using CPCT. That's it. Now coming to next question number 4. One triangle is given to you, that is triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC. Two altitudes are equal. First altitude is BE and second is CF. Both are equal, and altitude it means 90-90. And what you have to show by using RHS congruent rule, prove that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means you have to prove that AB is equals to AC. So for this what we will do, we will go in these two triangles, in triangle BEC and triangle BFC. In both these triangles we will do the congruency, we will use the congruency criteria. BC common, BE equals to CF. It is given in the question that altitudes are equal, right? BE equals to CF, and this angle is equals to this, each 90 degree, both of 90 degree. So by using RHS congruency rule, you can make them congruent, no? So by using CPCT, you can say that angle B complete would be equals to C. So if angle B is equals to C, the sides opposite to, in triangle ABC, the sides opposite to equal angles are always equal. Angle B opposite side is AC, angle C opposite side is AB. So AC would be equals to AB. That's it. Very simple.